Business owners, here are some indicators that you should just probably get a 9 to 5 and close your fucking business. Number one is you don't have the patience to seek out the process. You're not willing to stick around long enough to get the W. You're looking for instant gratification in and out of your business, and it's killing your mindset and your business knowledge. Number two, you're not willing to have assiduity. It is the ability for you to sit in a chair and learn something, implement a software, implement content, implement videos like this, getting in front of your audience and doing things that make you uncomfortable. Having the assiduity to be different and also step out of your comfort zone will allow you to develop new skills in your business that you need to make more money. Number three, you don't have financial literacy. Even if you have money, you don't know how to utilize it, you spend it unwisely, and you have no clue what the value of a dollar really is and how to use the value of a dollar to move your business even further. You're buying stupid shit, you're having kids too early in life, you're buying cars you can't afford, you're paying for rent that you can't afford, you're doing so many things that make your life a complete shiny object syndrome like melody. You're trying to do all these things to impress people. You're trying to do all these things to look like you're richer than you are, but odds are you're broke. I know tons of business owners who are making multiple six figures a year, some of them even multiple six figures a month, and some of the wealthiest people I know all have the least amount of materialistic things. The people who always have to flash things have an insecurity, or they simply don't have a real business and they rode a trend, they rode Bitcoin or something, they got lucky, and now they have nothing to fall back on. So now they have to do lifestyle marketing. So think about that.